If you're tired of getting unwanted emails from the same company, newsletter, or spammy sender domain, this video is going to help you clean up your Gmail fast. Today, I'm showing you how to block all email from a specific domain in Gmail, so you can stop future messages before they clutter your inbox. This is a simple free Gmail trick that works great for anyone who wants a cleaner email workflow and less distraction. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com and sign into the account where you want to block the emails. Once you're inside your inbox, look up at the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the menu, click See All Settings. This takes you into Gmail's full settings panel where you can control filters, blocked addresses, and a lot more. Now look for the tab called Filters and Blocked Addresses and click it. This section is where Gmail lets you create custom rules for incoming mail. To block an entire domain, click Create a new filter. A new window will open with several fields, but for this method, we only need the From field. In the From field, type the domain you want to block. For example, if you want to block everything coming from domain.com, type @domain.com. This tells Gmail to match emails coming from that domain, so any future messages using that sender domain can be filtered automatically. If you want to block a different domain, just replace domain.com with the one you want to stop. After entering the domain, click Create Filter. Gmail will now ask you what you want to do with matching emails. You'll usually want to choose Delete It if you want the messages removed automatically, or Skip Inbox, also known as Archive It, if you want Gmail to move them out of your main inbox without permanently deleting them. If you're not completely sure, Skip Inbox is the safer option because the emails still exist in your account just out of sight. You may also see an option that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. If you want Gmail to handle emails from that domain that are already in your inbox, turn that on. This is optional, but it's useful if you're trying to clean up old messages as well as block future ones. Once you've chosen the action you want, click Create Filter one final time to save it. That's it. Gmail will now automatically block or filter all future emails coming from that specific domain, saving you time and keeping your inbox much more organized. If you ever need to change the rule later, just go back to Filters and Blocked Addresses and edit or delete the filter anytime. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.